Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving into an exciting head-to-head comparison of two standout drones, the DJI Neo and the DJI Avata 2. Whether you're a beginner looking for a budget-friendly option or an FPV enthusiast seeking advanced features, these drones have something unique to offer. We'll be breaking down their design, camera capabilities, AI features, flight performance, and more to help you decide which drone best suits your needs. If you want to learn more about these models, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons. So, let's get started. Let's kick things off with the design and build quality. The DJI Neo is compact, lightweight, and super portable. It's the kind of drone you can easily throw into your backpack and take on any adventure. Despite its small size, it's surprisingly durable. I mean, you can crash this thing 15 to 20 times, and it'll still fly like a champ. So, if you're a beginner or someone who's a little rough with their gear, the Neo's build will definitely give you peace of mind. Now, moving on to the DJI Avata 2. It's slightly lighter than its predecessor, which gives it a more aerodynamic edge. This helps improve flight time and handling. It's also designed for FPV flying, meaning it offers a more immersive experience. Both drones are well built, but the Neo's compact size makes it more travel-friendly, while the Avata 2's design leans into performance and control. Alright, now for the fun part, cameras. The DJI Neo comes with a 1/2-inch sensor that shoots 4K at 30 frames per second and takes 12MP still photos. The footage is smooth, even in windy conditions, thanks to its stabilization tech. It's great for landscapes and outdoor shots, and the 12MP photos are crisp and clear. If you're looking for solid video and photo quality without spending a fortune, the Neo will deliver. On the other hand, the DJI Avata 2 steps it up with a 1/1.3-inch 12MP sensor, shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second and 120 frames per second in 2.7K and 1080p for slow motion. It features both mechanical and electronic stabilization, including Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady for smooth footage. You can also turn off stabilization for custom post-processing. Let's talk AI features and ease of use. The DJI Neo is beginner-friendly, with AI subject tracking, follow mode, and quick shot modes like circle and droney for easy, creative shots. The Avata 2, however, caters to FPV enthusiasts, featuring hand-controlled flying with a Motion 3 controller, return to home, GPS, and obstacle detection. It even has a turtle mode to flip the drone after a crash. Let's move on to flight performance. The DJI Neo offers a smooth flying experience, especially for the price point. It's stable even in windy conditions, and the DJI Fly app makes controlling the drone super easy. You can even fly it without a controller, using just your smartphone. Plus, the Palm takeoff and landing feature are super convenient. In terms of battery life, the Neo offers solid flight time, but you might want to carry extra batteries if you're planning longer shoots. Now, the DJI Avata 2 excels in flight dynamics, reaching speeds up to 60 miles per hour in manual mode. The Motion 3 controller makes flying fun with intuitive trigger controls and tilts for easy maneuvering. Flight time is up to 23 minutes in ideal conditions, though it's closer to 16 minutes in real-world use. Finally, let's talk about the price. The DJI Neo is a fantastic budget option. You can snag it for around $199, which is a steal considering it offers 4K video, AI tracking, and a durable build. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to spend too much. The DJI Avata 2, on the other hand, is in a different league when it comes to price. It's priced around $999, and with the Fly More bundle, which includes extra accessories like the Motion 3 controller and DJI Goggles 3, it can go even higher. However, you're getting a lot for your money: better camera specs, FPV features, and a more advanced flying experience. So, which drone is right for you? If you're on a budget and looking for a reliable, user-friendly drone with great AI features, the DJI Neo is an excellent choice. It's compact, durable, and delivers smooth 4K footage at an affordable price. The Neo's AI subject tracking, quick shot modes, and simple controls make it ideal for beginners or casual users who want high-quality aerial shots without the steep learning curve. Plus, Its portability makes it perfect for travel or spontaneous shoots. On the other hand, if you're an FPV enthusiast or someone seeking more advanced, professional-level features, the DJI Avata 2 is a worthy investment. Its superior camera quality, nimble flight dynamics, and advanced controls offer a more immersive experience. With faster speeds, extended flight time, and customizable features, the Avata 2 is built for those who want full control over their drone and are serious about capturing cinematic footage. Both drones are great, but your choice depends on your needs and experience. And this is the comparison between DJI Avata 2 and DJI Neo. If you want more information about these drones, you will find the links in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.